hlakka til að sjá okkur aftur á öðru breiðflugi. Takk fyrir og eigi góðan dag. Dear passengers, welcome to Keflavik, Iceland, where the local time is 1:43. We have arrived! And Iceland is beautiful. Look at the blue sky. Wow. Alrighty, so they gave us a different car than the one that we ordered.
Yeah, second time.
Yeah.
We were expecting that one and ended up giving us a Jeep.
This is the most expensive car I think that they have, so not bad. I hope you know how to drive it.
Let's see.
It's so clear we can see Reykjavik from here. That's the church right there. Andrea is still there. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are going to drive to the port near Vik so we can go to the Westman Islands. So exciting. It's another glorious day. I don't know what's
Beautiful.
happening with the weather. Look at this.
It's so blue. It's
What the heck is
gorgeous.
going on?
really
I love
is
it.
gorgeous.
It takes us 2 hours to get there, so we have to be on our way and we'll report back.
After 400 meters, turn left.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So we went to the wrong place.
We didn't go to the wrong place. You went to the right place. But that would be the place that people without a car would
Yeah.
check in and board the ferry. But because we have a car, we need to go to another place. You need to turn here.
Oh, where it is?
Okay.
Be careful.
You need to turn here, right? And then just basically stop behind one of these lines, I guess.
And that's how you shake in. You don't need to go
Yeah.
inside the building.
Car and motorcycle, yeah. So I'm just gonna basically stop behind one of these cars. And then when the ship arrives, there's a bridge there, as you can see, and the cars will go into that bridge.
It's so cold outside, oh my gosh. This is one of the windiest parts of Europe. Makes sense.
Yes. Westman Islands is meant to be the windiest place.
Yep.
So
We just found out the ferry is electric. How cool is that? It's right there. And that's the ferry charger. There's a man checking the tickets and then we're free to go. Alrighty, let's go in. Alrighty, we're stopped. Now we get out and we'll go and enjoy the view, I guess.
yes, let's go.
That's better outside.
That was insanely beautiful. The
Seriously.
weather is perfect.
The weather today is absolutely perfect.
I'm so excited to go out. Alrighty, let's go, let's go. Yeah, puffins to see. Stop freaking out, car. Lumpy, a bit lumpy.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm it all.
We are in the Westman Islands. It's quite windy, but again, the weather is glorious. It's never like this. I've seen so many videos of people coming here and the weather is always grey and miserable.
Not today.
But not today. We're very, very lucky. Can you spot the sheep? They see you. What a stunning place. We barely noticed time passing by. It was just us, puffins, incredible views, and some sheep keeping us company. They're quite aggressive. Always trying to protect their babies, so be careful. Close to the main puffin lookout, there's this beautiful black sand beach. There should be some seals here, but no luck today. Something to bear in mind, the GPS signal doesn't always work here, so maybe get an offline map.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
That's Elephant Rock. That's so cool. Look, elephant. Oh my word. I've always wanted to see this. I'm so happy. bushes. And honestly, what we've learned from this trip, bring the car. It's worth it. Don't go on tours. You have freedom with a car, so definitely worth it. You pay a little bit more for the ferry, but whatever. It's worth it.
You can just go around the island at your own pace. You don't need to wait for anyone to drive you around, or it's just
Yeah,
a
and you can
specific location.
and you can stop and go wherever you want.
Exactly.
Imagine growing up here and not being your place. We were so lucky. The weather has changed completely.
Yeah, it's
We
good.
can't see anything.
It's so foggy.
Absolutely
so foggy.
nothing. Wow. We were here just a few minutes ago. It would have been so sad if we came all the way here just to see this. Gosh, we were lucky with the weather. Wow, my hair is even worse now. We are waiting for the ferry now, take us to the mainland. We were supposed to go and see the beluga whales. They were rescued, I think from China, but it was like £40 to go see them. We just decided not to spend that money. We would only have like an hour anyway to see them, so
You wouldn't be enough time to see them.
yeah, next time. Definitely worth coming here, and I love it, so
Yeah, it's really nice.
made it back to Iceland, the mainland.
Mainland.
And it's not too cloudy here. It's actually alright.
Yeah.
Shall we go see some waterfalls?